Exploring the phrase, pickled. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're diving deep into a flavorful topic in the English language, the phrase, pickled. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meanings and how to use it in various contexts. Let's jump right in. Pickled usually refers to food, particularly vegetables or fruits, that have been preserved in a solution, typically vinegar, brine, or alcohol. This preservation method not only gives these foods a longer shelf life but also a distinct taste. For example, pickled cucumbers are a common snack in many cultures. Some people love adding pickled onions to their sandwiches. Apart from the culinary context, pickled is also used in a more colloquial and informal manner. When someone says, "I got pickled last night," they're not talking about turning into a cucumber. Instead, they mean they drank too much alcohol. Examples: after the party, Jake admitted he was a little pickled. "You look pickled," can be a humorous way to point out someone seems drunk. Let's put our learning into practice with some example sentences. 1. The chef added some pickled radishes to give the salad a tangy twist. 2. I've never tried pickled eggs before. Are they good? 3. She had so much wine that she was completely pickled by the end of the evening. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, pickled. Whether you're talking about tasty preserved foods or hinting at a wild night out, this word has got you covered. We hope this video clarifies its meanings for you. Keep exploring the nuances of the English language, and until next time, happy learning!